at least from a end user standpoint, but I can't even get it out. And that's one of the reasons I'm returning it. This light right here, I've read through the manual and I've called customer service, and they said that this light means that the either the brew group needs to be reinserted, or it's not inserted all the way, or something with the door not being closed. I've tried taking a small piece of metal and depressing all the sensors that this thing inserts into to see make sure that the machine is recognizing it. And it's something to do with the brew group, and I can't get the thing out. It's stuck mid-cycle. Initially, when it shut down, there was a puck that was still halfway up here, and then there was coffee all over the place. I don't know what the hell happened, but you can see it's like stuck midway. This thing extends back up. I don't know how the mechanism all works, but it's just in the middle of coffee making, and so it's telling me to take the brew group out and put it back in or reinsert it, but it's stuck, so it won't let me actually take it out. So, I called and they said that the only way they can figure it out is to send it in, which I'm not going to send it in after I've had it for 3 days. I'm just going to return it because it's just unbelievable. I tried to do a hard reset, everything I found on YouTube. I did everything. I did it all twice before I even called, and of course I called customer service and they just told me to do the same stuff over again. So I tried, but it's just not going to work out. Overall, I give the DeLonghi Magnifica 4 out of 10 stars. I'll give it 1 star for how fantastic this thing is up here. Like I said, it's really easy to use. I'll give it another star because of the fact that it has the coffee bypass. Definitely going to take a star off, though, for the horrible execution of that. I'll give a star for the actual grinder because it's pretty quiet and it's quick and it seems to work well with the machine. And I got 1 star left to give it. I give it 4 stars. I don't even know what I give the other star for. I guess I'll give the 4th star to this plastic. I don't know why I'm fascinated so much with the plastic, but it's just a really good clear piece. It looks like a really fancy smoked glass, but it's plastic, and I don't know, it looks good with the water. Good lines with the squareness of it all. So that's it. As far as the coffee goes, I mean, does it make good coffee? I don't know. By the time I was kind of, getting all these settings rolled up and, trying to figure out like what I like, what kind of beans should I use, what grind, you got all these ratios to adjust. It broke. So I don't know if it makes good coffee or not, but it doesn't make coffee. So that's kind of that's a sign it's time to move on. So that's my review of the DeLonghi Magnifica. It's there's actually 3 models of Magnifica. So let me look and make sure I think this is the mid-tier one. It's like the ESAM 3300, I think. Yeah, ESAM 3300, so it's the mid-tier. There's one above this that I think it has a more digital display, and then there's one below this that has less buttons. And it just seems like with coffee machines, less is more these days. I mean, unless you're going out and spending like $2,000 on like a super automatic coffee machine, it's not worth it to get all these freaking things, because this is exactly what I feared was going to go wrong. It's convenient, it seems convenient, but there's just so many moving parts and electronics that there's more of an opportunity for things to go wrong. I would be a little bit more forgiving if it seemed like it was manufactured in a, better way, but I guess I should have taken that into consideration when I first got it and sort of expected this to happen because of the cheap construction of it. I'm a sucker for good construction, and this doesn't really have it. So that's my review of the Magnifica ESAM 3300. I don't know. Let me know what you think. If you guys have any, I got a couple of days before I return it, so if you have any suggestions on coffee machines that I should roll into next, go ahead and let me know. All right, take care.